Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory for commerce accountancy part for the first year's English medium. So the chapter that we are dealing is 8th chapter, rectification of errors, and this is the third session of the chapter. So here we have one problem and we have to solve it. See here, sale of goods to Aditya. Okay, we are selling goods to Aditya. Rupees 2,500 was passed through the purchase book. Actual entry will be when we are selling the goods to Aditya, the actual entry will be sale Aditya account data to sales account, but they have passed it to the purchase book. Okay, so how they have written purchase account data to Aditya account means it is a error. It should not be posted to purchase book. It should be posted to sales book, right? So now rectify this error. How we have to rectify this error? See, first what the actual entry we have? Aditya account data. Aditya account data to sales account. This is the actual entry. But what they have done? They have debited the purchase. So they have debited the purchase means then we have to credit it to the credit side. We have to write purchase account. If they do debit, we will do it credit. Okay, that's a simple thing in the rectification. If they do credit, we will do it debit by rectifying it. So what is the amount? 2,500 rupees. First they have written in the purchase book. So now what we have to do? We have to write the same amount in the sales book. Totally how much it is now? 5,000 rupees. Yes. So first only they have written in the purchase book, that is 2,500. So in order to cancel that, okay, in order to cancel that amount, they have written that amount on the debit side, right? So I am writing the amount on the credit side. Then there will be no effect of such error, right? Then there will be no effect of such error. And here we are writing the sales 2,500. Yes. So this is completed. We are rectified here. So now we will write the narration. Being goods sold to Aditya. Goods sold to Aditya was wrongly posted, was wrongly passed in purchase book is rectified, means it is we are rectifying those error here. Up to here completed. Now next, B. Salaries of rupees 800 paid to Sandeep. We are paying salary to Sandeep. Was wrongly debited to his personal account. Means how they have written, what they have written, Sandeep account data to salaries account. They have written like this. They have debited salaries to the Sandeep account. Then we have to credit the salaries. Yes, they have debited to the personal account. They have debited the personal account. Means Sandeep account, what they have did? They have debited the Sandeep account. Means then how we have to write now? Salaries account data to Sandeep account. They have debited, right? What they have did? They have debited the Sandeep account. Now we are crediting that account. So we will write salary account data to Sandeep account. What is the amount here? 800 rupees. So write 800 rupees on both the sides. 800 rupees. So what will be the narration? Being salaries paid to Sandeep was wrongly passed to to the debit side of personal account. Debit side of personal account. Debit side of personal account is rectified. Is rectified. So narration you can write based on your talent. There is no need to write what is the narration given in your material. No need to write as usual narration. Okay. So you can write the narration what you have understand. Okay. Bean salary is paid to Sandeep. That was wrongly passed to the debit side of the personal account. That is debited to his personal account. Now we are rectifying that. That is completed. Now see the third entry. Furniture purchase on credit. Then what will be the entry? From Shekhar. From Shekhar they have purchased on credit. Means furniture account data to Shekhar account. This will be the normal entry. Was entered in the purchased book. They have written in the purchase book. Actually they have to write in the which book? In furniture book. But they have written in the purchased book. So now they have entered in the purchased book means they have written on the debit side. Yes. So what we will do now? We will do it credit. So how we will write that? See, furniture account debtor. Furniture account debtor to purchase account. To purchase account. What will be the amount here? 1000 rupees. This is 1000 rupees and this is 1000 rupees. So write the narration again. Bean furniture purchase. Bean furniture purchase wrongly passed in P book. Means purchase book is rectified. So in this way we are completing this entry. Now let us move to the next entry. 5000 spent on the extension of building was debited to the building's repair account. So extension of building means what? They are increasing the building. That is not the repair. But they are debited to the building's repair account. Means now what we have to do? We have to credit the building's repair. So what will be the entry here? Buildings account data to, yes, buildings account data to repairs account. Buildings account data. Buildings account data to repair account. Why we are writing repair? Because they have debited it. Okay, they have written on the debit side. So I am writing it on the credit side in order to cancel the error. So to repairs account. To repairs account. What is the amount, ma? 5000 rupees. That is we have to write on the both sides. So narration again you have to write bean amount spent for extension, amount spent on extension of buildings, wrongly passed in repair account. In repairs account is rectified. Okay, it is rectified. So this entry is completed. Now let us see the last entry. Goods returned by Shailesh rupees 1200 were entered in the return outward books. Return outward books means which book? Purchase return book. Okay, this is purchase return book, but actually goods returned by Shailesh means he is returning the goods. Means once upon a time he has taken goods from us. Means we have sold that goods to him, right? So when he is returning those goods to us, what it means? Once upon a time he taken that goods from us and we have sold that goods to him. So Here he given that they are entered in the written outward book, means in the purchase return book they have written, but actually that is a sales return. So that is actually sales return, means they have written on the credit side. Okay, actually it has to be right on the debit side. Yes, purchase return will be written on the credit side and sales return will be written on the debit side. So here generally what is the normal entry is sales return account data to Shailesh account, that is the normal entry, but they have written in this way, Shailesh account data to purchase return account, purchase return account. So in this way they have written. So they have credited the purchase return. So now we will debited the purchase return. So what will be the entry here? Sales return account debtor, sales return account debtor, purchase return account debtor, purchase return account debtor to Shailesh account. Okay, to Shailesh account. So what is the amount, ma? 1200. Yes. So first we will write 1200 in the sales return and afterwards in the purchase return, and total amount 1200 plus 1200, how much it is? 2400. That will be written in the Shailesh account. So this is the entry. So we have to write the narration. So you can write the narration now. You got the idea how to write the narration, right? So how you will write the narration? Bean goods written by Shailesh was wrongly entered in the written outward book is rectified. Okay, the entry which is written, that is rectified. So those, in this way you have to write the narration for the problem. Okay, yes, right. In the next problem we will, in the next session we will discuss the next problem.